Welcome to the Cherokee Titan Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 1998 Buffalo 370 in good condition. This grinder mixer has a 370 bushel capacity and features a left-hand discharge and 4-foot auger, along with a scale and 540 PTO drive. Thank you for viewing this Buffalo 370. Interested in this grinder mixer? Give our sales staff a call at 877-866-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.